Hi dear children, I am your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. I hope you all are fine and safe. So shall we go to the topic, students? Our topic name is Great Genius. So who are genius? People with extraordinary intelligence are known as genius. A genius is a highly talented, creative and intelligent person. That means their thinking and activities are different from other people's. If you work hard and learn well, you can also be one of the genius. So let us learn about some great genius in the world. So the first person is Leonardo da Vinci. He was a great Italian artist, painter, sculptor, architect, musician, mathematician, engineer, inventor and writer. He was a multi-talented person, but he didn't receive any formal education in his childhood. He was a self-educated child and he was an ambidextrous. That means have able to write in one hand with other hand at the same time. And also he liked to write in reverse because he wanted to keep his idea secret. He drawn many paintings. His one of the most famous painting is Mona Lisa. It was painted in the early 16th century. It's a well-known painting in the art history. It's world famous painting and valuable one. Why Mona Lisa is very famous? Because it is an oil painting. In this picture, the features portray a seated smiling woman sit against an imaginary landscape. It was drawn without lines or borders. It's drawn by shadow work of smoke. Her ambiguous expression is one of the strongest reasons for the success of Mona Lisa. Now this permanently located in Louvre Museum at London with secured behind the bulletproof glasses. It also holds the Guinness World Record. So the next genius is Wolfgang Mozart. His full name is Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. He was born in Salzburg, Austria in Europe. His father is a musician and musical teacher. He only taught music to the Mozart. So Mozart is considered to be the greatest Western classical music composer of all time because he showed his special talent in his very young age, which means he has composed since his childhood. So Mozart can able to play almost all musical instruments at the age of 3. So at the age of 5, he composed his first piece of music in piano. And at the 8, he wrote an first symphony. Totally he wrote 50 symphonies. Symphonies means a complicated musical notes. He also wrote his first opera at the age of 11. So totally almost 600 pieces of music are composed by Mozart and all are very high quality. So Mozart is considered to be the greatest musical player for all the time. Today, more than 200 years, his music is world famous and still very popular. And he is an inspiration for all music composers and film directors. And Mozart was awarded as Knight of Golden. So the next person is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a great German scientist who is famous for his groundbreaking scientific theory. His most famous theory is known as theory of relativity. He spent much his life to researching this theory. This is the formula for theory of relativity, and this is the most widely recognized equation in the history. In this, he said mass and energy are equivalent. The relativity also shows that matter and energy are just two different forms of same things. He discovered many things in physics. He said every substance in the universe consists of atoms and molecules. So the light have constant speed and no other forces beat the speed of light. So he received the Nobel Prize in physics for the photoelectric effect. In nowadays, the rockets are launched on the orbit of Earth by using the formula of Einstein. So the next person is Isaac Newton. Newton was an English mathematician, astronomer, author, physicist and a famous scientist who is famous for his law of motion and discovery of gravitational force. Not only this, he discovered many things like optics, that is white light composition, and calculus in mathematics and reflecting telescope. How he find out the gravitational force in the earth? This idea came about when he saw an apple falling from a tree and led him to a conclusion that whatever go up must come down, because one attractive force is activated in all the things by the earth. This force is called gravitational force. So in the law of motion, Newton describes three things. One is, the first law says everybody remains in the state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by the net external force. So the next law says the amount of acceleration of a body is proportional to the acting force and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. So the third law says for every action there is an opposite reaction. So Sir Isaac Newton is one of the most and brilliant scientists of all time, and he will always known as a brilliant mind. So we will see some other genius in the next class. Be safe, be at home. Thank you.